Right. We're at the Silco oil building. I sure hope it's not a single tenant, and when you go up there, they're like, what are you doing here? We're just gonna be like,
That is glass.
Yeah.
It's funny. Yeah, we've both been by this building so many times.
Never expected to find glass.
Yeah, I was not expecting it to be glass. Oh, it's an eco disc too.
I wonder what it was before. It can't
Probably
be the
something
original.
hydro, I reckon.
6 has a security, but it's off right now. If anybody asks, we just tell them we were on a different floor and wanted to ride the glass elevator. Slow as an eco discover is.
Yep.
The hydraulic of KONEs.
Still worth coming in here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
A great view of. Actually, this does have a decent view.
This is the floor. Nothing really up here.
Is there a water fountain?
Probably not. Let's go back down.
Yeah, I bet this used to be a hydro.
Probably was.
Everything is fairly open.
We'll inspect later.
Oh, that's right. Honestly, that does have kind of a pretty view of the mountains.
Yeah, the elevator view isn't good. It's nice that it is a glass elevator. You know how many places would have just built a brick wall at a building like this age?
Hey, we should fit it up and watch it.
We'd have to like run out the door. Ugh. Can we get there in time? There it's going. You can't really see it though, unfortunately.
You can see the lights in there.
A little bit, not much. Anyway, that's it.